Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing facts. Confirm your account is verified with email and phone, and make sure your device and Roblox app are updated. Once done, open the ban notice and read the reason and duration so you know if this is a temporary safety measure or a policy violation. Then capture screenshots of the notice and any messages tied to the restriction. You need those for a precise appeal. Prepare a calm, factual summary of how voice chat was used and why it won't repeat. You now craft an appeal focused on facts and remediation. Open Roblox support, pick the moderation or safety appeal type, and clearly state the account name, ban ID, and dates. Attach the screenshots you saved and explain the timeline, what happened, why it occurred, and whether it was accidental or a misunderstanding. Make sure to acknowledge any rule you violated and list concrete steps you'll take to prevent recurrence. Ask specifically for a voice chat review so moderators evaluate that feature access. You finish by actively monitoring the support ticket and responding quickly but politely to moderator follow-ups. Clarity speeds resolution. If the appeal is denied, note the stated wait time and prepare additional evidence or a better explanation before reappealing. Once access is restored, immediately test voice settings, confirm safety filters are enabled, and record any anomalies. If things go wrong later, use the same documentation process and reopen the ticket, having a clear record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.